All right, so I was just going out for a nightly cruise, picked up Joey, driving out here into his private neighborhood, bringing him back home. It's a gated neighborhood with $1 million homes. And, well, they've got patchwork everywhere, and it blew out my oil pan. So now we've got this stream leading all the way back. And then, what the fuck? Update on shattering my oil pan. It's 12 degrees outside. The windshield is completely fogged over, and Joey's talking about Italian pastries.
Schwoyedel.
Turns out it's snowing tonight. It's sopping up the oil. Nick came with the trailer though. Joey, it's snowing so hard. Nick's got the wood. Nick, you're saving us, dude. Look at this. Oh my God. All right, so Nick has a shovel. The trailer's covered in snow. TT's all safe. Joey, how you feeling about this experience?
Pretty good, honestly. You just gotta lock yourself.
Yo, I'm freezing, and Nick brought me a jacket.
Damn,
dude, no way. This thing's sick.
T1 merch. We don't need that.
Dude, this shovel does work. Yeah, I got one too, dude. I knew that we were gonna break down, so I brought a strap with me. I'm out here in the fucking moccasins, baby. Oh yeah, just like that, boys. Got my cheerleaders here.
A little frigid, huh?
Hey. Just shit myself. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, that's good. Perfect, right there. Dude, see how the trailer's all angled up, Joey?
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, we're gonna pull that TT right up. Hopes and dreams.
What is that?
Oh, we got the flashlight going there. Yeah, I figured it was a good way to line me up.
Yeah.
Some, shit. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yo, we got this. We got this. All right, so we literally cracked the oil pan maybe like, I don't know, 3 miles away. No big deal. It actually all like drained out from the trailer, just being on the trailer. But at my house, which is 3 miles away, there's a inch of snow on the ground. Come on back here. And Nick's giving us the duty to direct him into my driveway, which you're good. You're good. Yeah, that's how you.
Yeah, you're good.
You're good. You're golden.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, start cutting it. Yeah, you're good. I don't know if he was gonna make it over that. Oh, money, boys.
Make sure the trailer goes towards the other side.
Fucking. We're worried about this bush. If I hit the bush, it's over. Look at that, boys. That's why we got Captain Clean out on the job. He's gonna avoid that bush like no other. Perfect. Yes. All right, perfect.
Big Joey, the brawn. Brain, you're the brawn.
Joe, you got any words of advice for the kids?
Crap. Schwoyedel sounds so good like it did before.
Well, it's 2 days later. This South Carolina car is getting beat up by all this salt, but it's also getting beat up by the New Jersey roads. I hate to see it, but there's good news. I got an oil filter. Not only did I get an oil filter, I also went ahead and I got myself a hybrid oil pan, which is a steel pan that's bolted onto an aluminum base that bolts up right to the car. The only downside is we're gonna have to get rid of the oil level sensor, but we don't even use that, so I don't really care. This is a race car. It's not really a race car. It's a daily driver, and having an oil level sensor would be nice, but we're not gonna have it, okay? So quit complaining. We're not gonna have it. But long story short, I wanna hop underneath the car, show you guys what the oil pan actually looks like. I have not looked at it. The car has not been jacked up. I think it would be really beneficial for both of us to see what happened and for me to tell you guys what to do if you crack your oil pan, because that is always beneficial. If you crack your oil pan, well, there's a few steps and we'll get into that, but let's check out the oil pan and assess this damage and cry a little bit. But also, I wanted to get a hybrid pan anyway, so this was just a little bump in the road that I'm not worried about, so whatever. Now that the car is jacked up, I literally just put down a sweatshirt. I have not gone underneath there and looked yet, so my reaction is gonna be open and honest with you guys, and I'm excited to see it. I'm excited to see it. Let's go. Oh, look at this. Look at this little guy. That's my first gear getter pushing. Yep. Okay, there's the oil pan. Oh my God, there's the crack. There's the crack. Oh, that's not bad at all. Oh my God, look above the bolt. Look above the bolt, look at that crack. That's crazy. That's nuts. There's the oil drain. There's the oil level sensor that we're gonna be deleting. But I don't want to get too much underneath the car. I don't have jack stands underneath it right now, and I want to get that all set up. So that's our look at this current situation. And I honestly, if I was, look, it's still leaking oil. It's not even that bad. We could probably JB weld it if we had to, but I don't know. I'd be on this car too much to be doing that. If I hit it again, it would just not be good. The way we cracked the oil pan, that's really good news. There's a lot of situations that you guys might get yourself involved in that are way worse than this, and you might have to take a few more steps. So why I'm happy about cracking my oil pan in such a way is that I cracked the oil pan. I didn't obliterate it to pieces on like a manhole or something like that. Some of you guys lose your entire oil pan. Your car loses oil pressure all at once. You might be high RPM, you starve your engine of oil, and your bearings are the oil inside of the engine. So if you lose oil pressure, you're essentially gonna blow up your engine, score the piston rings, all that stuff, and you don't want that. Your main bearings, no oil in the engine is terrible. So when I hit that dip, I said, Joey, I think I hit the oil pan. He goes, no way, really? And we went up to hit the pin pad and we saw smoke coming after us. I said, yeah, we cracked the oil pan. So I got underneath there and I saw like, maybe like as if you had water in your mouth and it just dripped out. Like that. No, but seriously, it was about that much. So it wasn't like a geyser. My engine still had oil pressure. We were good. As soon as I saw that oil coming out, I knew I still had oil pressure. I ran over to the driver's side door, opened it up, turned the key off as fast as I possibly could. Car sounded great. No knocking. We're good there. Then I went ahead, took the car out of gear, put it in neutral. Joey and I actually rolled it out of harm's way, essentially. We immediately called my buddy Nick. He came with my trailer. Huge shout out to Nick. Nick is the GOAT. Nick's the one that drove his truck all the way to West Virginia with me and Joey. We put the car in the trailer. We brought it home. We brought it back to a safe place. But here's the issue with you guys. If you break your oil pan in such a significant way, hopefully it's just as bad as mine, not any worse. But if you do wind up breaking your oil pan in more severe ways, I highly suggest that you fix the oil pickup. We'll go over that in the next video when I'm fixing the oil pan. But you don't want metal shrapnel going all around your engine, so you're gonna need to get an oil filter, all that stuff. But in my case, it just took a little fragment off the bottom, leaked out a decent amount. But the car's home, it's safe. Huge shout out to Joey and Nick once again. That lasted till about 3 o'clock in the morning. And you know, it was a great time, great adventure with my friends, and we live for this. I hope that they get cars soon. Nick wants to get an IS300, so if you guys are selling an IS300, anyone on the East Coast, let me know. We're always open for adventure. We're all willing to take a trip. We'll come say what's up. We'll make a YouTube video with you. So if you've got a car for sale, a TT, an IS300, a GLI, anything like that, let us know. And it'd be really cool to make a video with you guys. So on that note, the car is covered in salt, covered in ice, but that's not gonna stop me. We have a massive snowstorm coming. So I'd like to get out there and drive a little bit in the snow, maybe Sunday night, Monday morning. And we'll be getting the oil pan on Saturday. So fingers crossed, we get the oil pan on Saturday, get this thing all together. I can make a YouTube video for you guys showing you how to do it, how I'm gonna do it, because I hear it's kind of a pain. And we'll go from there. But that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You hate to see it, the new car getting wrecked already, but you know, it's all part of the game. And I highly suggest that if you have a lower car or you like to just drive back roads, you know, get a steel oil pan. I was going 15 miles per hour when this happened, and there's nothing I could have done. I was driving right up to a little pin pad, and that's just the way it goes. So it's no big deal. Everything happens for a reason, and I love you guys. Don't let anyone put you down. Your build is unique to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is awesome. You guys are awesome, and this YouTube channel is just, I love y'all. Peace.